Welcome back, Grade 6 to Nelson Math, Chapter 11, Section 2, Surface Area of Polyhedrons. We learned in Section 11.1, a polyhedron is a closed structure that is made up of all polygons. Well, today we're learning about the surface area and how to calculate and find the surface area of a polyhedron. The surface area of a polyhedron is the total area of all the faces or surfaces of that polyhedron. For example, the surface area of this cube is 24 centimeters squared because there are 6 faces and each has an area of 4 centimeters squared. So let's break that up a little bit. I took each of these 6 faces and I pulled them apart. This is not a net. I just cut them all out and I put them here. A net would have them in such a way where you can fold them to make the cube. I didn't do that. I separated them completely, and this is what we have. So we know a cube has 6 faces. And because it's a cube, every single length is exactly the same. So I took just this one square. I'm only labeling the one because they're all the same. So this one square has this face's area has an area of 4 centimeters squared, like that. And it happens that because these 6 are identical faces, as we know a cube has, all of these are exactly 4 centimeters squared. And I'll just copy and paste that to all of them here. So I know I have 6 faces, and each of them has an area of 4 centimeters squared. So I could add them all up, or I could use my multiplication abilities and say that 6 faces times 4 centimeters squared each would be 24 centimeters squared. So my surface area of this square is 24 centimeters squared. Keep in mind, while it is related to area, to rather volume, it is not the same thing. What we did here is we just looked at, for example, the paper that made this particular face. We did not take into consideration what was inside. Inside, or how much space it takes up, that's volume. We're not doing volume in this section. This section, we're only seeing how much paper would we need if we built this cube. If we built this cube, we would need 6 pieces of paper, each of which has an area of 4 centimeters squared in 2 by 2 fashion. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.